All right, what's going on YouTube? Another day, another video. Today we're in the backseat of the LS430 and we're going to be doing a small repair today. I have the Mark Levinson sound system on here, and I've been noticing that songs with higher bass levels, they tend to, the speaker tends to have a slight distortion kind of sound, like a slight rattle sound in the rear. Now, I think that's just due to the old age of the subwoofer. Some of the materials just broken apart, but we'll test that theory today. So let's go ahead and get started on the job. All right guys, so first things first, I just popped off this cover that's sitting on here, sitting on the back like that. I just used a flathead screwdriver just to pop that off. And then right now I'm just in the process of just cutting off a little bit of this felt. It's following this line, this natural line, cutting that so they can flap it over, and then expose the 10mm bolts. I think there's 3 or 4, one there, and then the other side. And then once we do that, we can take the speaker off and then use the kit on it. And then now we're just taking off these T20 Torx bits. I'm just using a drill bit. Yeah, they're not really torqued that hard, so. That does not sound good. Shite. Yeah, I mean, look at this. There's like all this like it's not even non-existent. The like little like rubber thing completely disintegrated off. Look, over time. All right, guys. So here we have the kit from SimplySpeakers, located in St. Petersburg, Florida. Big shout out to Tom for giving me a nice deal on the kit, but has a nice instruction manual that shows you step by step what to do to repair the subwoofer and removing the original foam. And then, yep, here is the new foam piece. It's crazy how that's all it is. Like, this is literally just a foam piece to keep everything nice and insulated. But yeah, big shout out to SimplySpeakers, and can't forget that the kit comes with a glue and a paintbrush. Hydrogen peroxide here, and just clean up the area. All right guys, so here we have our new foam piece. Pretty cool that this little notch right here, just line up the notch on the actual foam piece and it looks like it just pops right in and it fits. We're just doing a little test fit. And yeah, so just glue all around. This is the moment of truth, babe. You scared? Wait.
This is regular video.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just want to make sure that it, so I'm going to press it on now. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys. So it's been an hour. We let the foam fully cure, and it is on there, guys. It is awesome. And then I went ahead, flipped it over, and just put the T20 screws back in. And here it is. Here is the fully rebuilt Mark Levinson sub. So this thing is ready to go back in and bump. Right, Teddy? Right, Teddy? There you go. Wait. I guess this port. There you go. This one's lined up. There you go. We're plugged in. And just have to vacuum all this, but yeah, it's done. And this thing bumps.